Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll and find security and lock screen. Then let's tap on the fingerprint. And right here, if you've got the lock screen, you will have to enter it and then you will be transferred to another step. If not, your device will ask you to add the regular screen lock, so for example the pattern pin or password, and without it you won't be able to add the fingerprint. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So just set it or just enter the lock screen. Right here we've got the information that we have to find our scanner, which is on the front of our device, so under the screen, and tap on next. Okay, so here we've got the information about the screen protector, so be aware that they may affect the fingerprint scanner. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to put our finger on the sensor, and right now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course right now the edges. Alright, yeah, we just did it, so let's simply tap on done. Just tap on OK. Alright, here we've got our fingerprint section. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. Usually it is for unlocking the device, so let's simply turn on this option. You can change the unlock animation, so as you can see you can customize it just like you want to. It's up to you. Just tap on the option, and if you like it, tap on apply. Here you've got the indicator styles also, so as you can see we've got plenty of options to choose from really. Well, let's maybe try this one. Tap on apply. Here we've got our fingerprint we just added. We can rename it just by tapping on it or remove it and add another fingerprint. I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Alright, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So as we can see we've got the fingerprint icon, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.